Hey guys, good to meet you again. Just taking some precautions. Social distancing, right? So, hey guys, it's been about 6 months since I made a face video. So, here I am back. And originally, this was going to be a 150 subscriber special, but then I thought to not be hasty. That's not really a benchmark, is it? So, here I am anyway. Sorry for being a little late. Okay, actually, very late. But whatever, here we go. Thank you guys for helping me cross 200 subscribers, and thanks to my buddies for posting all these questions. So let's begin my question and answer video. Well, let's start with Mangesh Deshmukh's question. What is your favorite big cat? Well, although the leopard is a close second, I'll have to give it to the cougar or puma. Scuba, aka Animal Lover, has 3 questions for me. What's the most embarrassing mistake you have ever made? Well, honestly, Scuba, if it's the most embarrassing, there's a reason I call it the most embarrassing. But here's a mildly embarrassing error I once made, which I can actually say here. Once in front of 15 to 20 people, I called an 18 to 20-year-old girl auntie, and you can guess the mass reaction that followed. What animal would you like to encounter up close? Almost any really, but if I were diving in the ocean and interacted with a giant octopus, it would be awesome. Most of the time they don't even attack, they just curiously prod you with their tentacles. What is the best animal encounter you ever had? I was at a night safari in Singapore with my parents, and we were leaning against the glass wall of a leopard enclosure. After a wait of about 3 minutes, the big cat gave us the best jump scare ever. Nigel has 3 questions just like Scuba. Do you like insects? Yup, many animals which people tend to despise, such as hyenas, are quite liked by me, and I don't really hate any animal. But then, in answer to his second question, what's your least favorite animal? I kind of dislike pigeons since they are kinda gross and pretty unhygienic. But hate is a pretty strong word. It's stupid to hate an animal. And what languages do you speak? English, Hindi and Marathi. From Shark Gang leader, what's your favorite food? Well, this might be kind of unusual, but Indian gooseberries, aka amlas laced with salt. I don't know about you, but I think they are delicious. But if you want a more conventional answer, among snacks, I love popcorn. Saurav, King of Beasts, is asking, how old are you? I am 16. Leo the Eutyranus has a really smart question. If you could bring back one animal from extinction, what would it be? Now, I know everyone talks about woolly mammoths, but my point is that it should not have an adverse effect on the environment. I did consider the dodo, but the Calvaria trees on which the dodos depended are almost extinct on Mauritius, so why make the animal suffer? I am going with the sterile sea cow because, first of all, humans drove it extinct, so it would be like making up for your mistakes. And 2, it mostly fed on krill and plankton, so it wouldn't have an adverse effect on the ocean ecosystem, and sharks and other carnivores might have another food source. But honestly, in my opinion, if an animal is extinct, its time ran out. Instead of trying to bring it back, we should focus on ensuring current animals do not suffer the same fate. That's just my personal opinion. From Jurassic King, what's your favorite dinosaur? Honestly, all the sauropods top the list, and among them, the crown I guess goes to Supersaurus. But among theropods, that is the meat eaters, my favorite has to be Carcharodontosaurus. Say that 5 times in quick succession. Rootling Wolf has 2 questions. What's your dream place to visit? I honestly love being in any place with nature, but how can you not love Switzerland? All those mountains, the snow, the culture. And what animal do you fear the most? Yeah, like I said before, pigeons are kind of gross, so it would be a bit uncomfortable to touch one. From Pans, I hope I pronounced it right. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Dinomania, Daniel Labelle, Watch Mojo, Miss Mojo, Wild Cienzas, Wicked Binge, Jurassic Bob, and occasionally, just for some madness, especially with friends, the Indian YouTuber Ashish. Anvay, my close family friend in real life, is asking, What do you like to do in your free time? Oh, come on, dude, you already know me pretty well, but whatever. On the geeky spectrum, doing anything related to nature or animals, reading, writing, photography, video making, and on the general spectrum, just chilling around, being by myself, yet going out, making awesome plans, and getting up to total madness with friends and close ones. I am an ambivert, look up what that means. And my favorite sports are cycling and especially swimming. Next up, Jahan, who I know in real life, is asking, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah, no.
First we have Jahan, then we have Ahan, older brother to Anvay. One thing you are looking forward to in college? Are you kidding me? Of course it's the girls. Most importantly, I would love to make some new best friends cause the friends you make in your young days tend to stick with you for ages to come. And obviously exploring the various activities etc. of college. But what can I say? The coronavirus had to run rampant. College had to be online. And initially I was a bit disappointed, but I am a pretty nonchalant person. I move on pretty quickly, stay happy with whatever I have. And I advise you to pick up a bit after Incredible Ishan. Cause if you don't train yourself in your young days to have a positive, cheerful attitude, things will be very hard for you in your adulthood when life will be much harder. There will be way more challenges. Just some advice as a well wisher. Shashi Roy is asking, what's your favorite food and drink? Food I already answered Shark and Leader, and drink I love fruit juices in general. My favorites are Real, Tropicana, Appy, ORSL. I am recommending ORSL to you. It's organic and the healthiest of the four. And how do you make such good puns? Well, like I said earlier, I am just kind of into literature, so it comes naturally. You may have noticed that I try to write my comments on YouTube as well as possible. It's just how I like it. From SB Pat, what's your favorite mammal? Well, my top 3 favorites are leopard, puma, and elephant. And once again, how do you make such good puns? 2 questions from Lukezilla. The first is, what's your favorite animal? Well, my top 3 favorite mammals, which I already mentioned, are at the top of that list, but I just mentioned my favorite bird, the Yakinth macaw from South America. And who do you hate the most on YouTube? It's not really my personality to hate someone. I think it's stupid, but I did get into a fight with an extremist Christian on YouTube called Lydia Petra, who insisted that carnivores do not belong on this planet, and she insulted my religion. And there was this idiot who kept posting hate comments on my channel as well as the channel of my close mate Parth. Parth's channel's link is in the description and a pinned comment. Blue Eyes White Dragon is asking, what's your favorite reptile? The yellow anaconda, especially the ones with white and yellow skin patterning. What's your favorite drink? I already answered. And is the Scorpius rex from Camp Cretaceous immune to its own venom? I think it is. It makes sense, right? But after all, it was a failed hybrid, so maybe not. BK Our Planet is asking, what would your dream job be when you are older? Zoologist with, at times, doing something related to literature. I would like to sometimes take English lessons for school kids. And finally, we have some really amazing questions from Doberman Shepherd Cutie. Pay attention, guys. Drum roll, please. Who would win in a fight between a Kodiak bear and a roundworm? Who would win in a fight between a Kodiak bear and a hookworm? Who would win in a fight between a Kodiak bear and a tapeworm? Who would win in a fight between a short-faced bear and a French heartworm? Listen up, Dobby. I have the perfect answer for you. Do you wanna get it? Watch on.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you.
Don't dislike and exit the video just yet, guys. Dobby has more questions. What do you think about Mad Dog? Do you play DBD? Do you watch Otsdarva? Sorry, Dobby, but I don't know about any of these, so I can't give you satisfying answers. Finally, this video was a pain to make, but I had fun and I hope so did you guys. Now I have a question for you. Would you like to like, share, comment and subscribe? Say yes, say yes. Thank you. That's it for today. See you next time.